Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get a wild card maker. We'll cover the main ways you can acquire this incredibly useful item, helping you enhance your collection. First, we'll delve into the crafting process, detailing the materials you'll need. Then, we'll explore how in-game purchases and special events can provide another path. Finally, I'll share some top tips to maximize your efforts and secure your wild card maker efficiently. One primary method to obtain a wild card maker is through crafting. This usually involves collecting several distinct components found throughout your adventures. You might need to defeat certain enemies, complete specific quests, or explore particular zones to gather these materials. Once you have all the necessary ingredients, head to a crafting bench or menu, and with a few simple steps, your wild card maker will be ready for use. Always double-check the exact material list before you begin. Beyond crafting, you can often acquire a wild card maker through various in-game systems. Many games allow direct purchase using either premium currency, which might be bought with real money, or a substantial amount of earned in-game gold or tokens. Keep an eye out for special events, as these often offer the wild card maker as a top-tier reward for participation or completing specific objectives. Additionally, some progression systems, like battle passes, can grant this item upon reaching certain tiers. To efficiently get your wild card maker, strategic planning is key. Focus your gameplay on activities known to drop the required crafting materials or on earning the specific currency needed for purchase. Avoid spending your valuable resources on less important items, saving them for this significant acquisition. Many games have active communities where players share optimal farming routes or event strategies, so consult those resources. A little preparation can save you many hours of grinding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.